right? Find the radius and center, the center and the radius of the sphere. But this time it's not in the standard form. Anybody remember how we would take a parabola and go from the standard form to a vertex form? What was the process that we used? 3 words. C, T, S. Complete the square, right? You're going to have to complete the square. You got to pass?
The nurse told me to you that she couldn't give me a pass because Miss Bishop didn't have any passes, so we just been nurse.
All right.
He said, call if you want to.
Okay. Okay, so we have to complete the square for each variable that's there. So we need to write the x's together, right? So it'll be x squared minus 2x. We need to write the y's together. That would be y squared plus 4y. And we need to write the z's together. That'll be z squared minus 6z. And then we'll put it on the other side, we'll put the 8, so now it's negative 8. Okay, now remember, how do you pick what to add into that third position so that it completes the square? See any? Divide what? Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Then what? And then you square it, and you get plus 1. That's part of that's how you find it. You divide the b by 2, and then you square it. Okay, but I can't just add a 1 in there. I just change the equation. What do I do to balance out that I added 1? Right, I added 1 over here. Okay, same process. How am I going to pick? Divide 4 by 2 is 2, and you square it, and you get 4. But if I add 4 there, I add 4 here. And finally, what am I going to add to complete the square on the z's? Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. Okay. Yeah, and then I still have to add the 9 over here. Thank you. So now let's write this x minus, what is it that will be in parentheses for the first one? What is it that's being squared? It's x plus or minus something. If you can't think of it, factor it. How does that factor? What 2 numbers? Their product is 1 and sum is negative 2. Try again. Negative 1 times 2 is 1. Come on now. What the factors of 1 that add up to negative 2? Negative 1, negative 1. So it's x minus 1 squared. How about the next one? Y, 2 and 2. So y plus 2 squared. Right? And then what's about the last one? Negative 3, negative 3. Right? So z minus 3 squared. And then we have to add up everything that's on the other side, and that is 6. Come on, don't do that. Don't. There we go. And so that was a 6. Okay, so what is the center of this sphere?
-1, 2, and -3.
Okay, say again? Not negative 1. Positive 1, negative 2, positive 3. Okay, and what is the radius? No. The square root of 6. Right? Remember, this is the r squared. So if you want to find the r, take the square root.